of the reverse culture I'm currently experiencing back here in Korea because I've been living in the Philippines for too long, so nakukulture shock ako dito. Have you guys ever heard of Ibyeol Yoheng? Directly translates to break up trip. And I don't know if merong ganito sa Pilipinas, pero it's apparently a very Korean concept for relationships. Kumbaga, nag-break na kayo, tapos you will go on a breakup trip. And this isn't like putyo-putyo na excuse mo lang para sa closure, para magkabalikan, kasi meron kayong feelings para sa isa't isa. Hindi! Legit na break, tapos nagtitrip lang kayo together. Sobrang foreign ng concept nito sa akin. Kasi I have so many questions. Paano ba yung trip mismo? Paano kung ibang bansa pala yung trip? Paano mo titiisin nakatabi mo yung ex mo tapos for 4 hours nandun kayo sa aeroplano? Di kayo mag-uusap? Tapos pagdating doon, kakain ba kayo together? Same ba kayo na hotel room? Susundin pa ba yung itinerary na ginawa nyo? I'm so curious. What do you do?